Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I am going to be talking about the Lolita palette by Kat Von D. This is a fairly new release from her. It comes with 8 shades in the palette, and it's similar to the aesthetic look and packaging of the Pastel Goth palette. This type of packaging looks like that. So this palette I think retails for $38. Kat Von D is a very popular makeup brand. This palette retails for $38, and this is what the inside of the palette looks like. It comes with of course a little mirror, and the front of the packaging is super cute. It's like embossed. It says Lolita in really cool font. In the back it has the shade names right here. And this is something that's pretty cool, especially for me because I don't have much of like this in my collection. I never really steered towards like more neutral like berry tones like this, but I figured this is something like really different, very cool looking, and honestly Kat Von D's formula is very good with eyeshadows, so I figured I'd take the chance. So you can get this palette on Kat Von D's website, that's katvondbeauty.com. You can also get this in Sephora as well, any Sephora stores and online. So again, that's what that looks like. I'm going to go ahead and swatch all of these shades in the palette, starting with Promessa, which is this really light shade. This is the lightest shade of the palette, and it's a very, very pale muted pink. And keep in mind, these shadows are all matte. And that's what that looks like. Let me turn my light down on like that. And next shade is Besitos. I know what that means. That means kisses, and that's super cute. And that's what this looks like. It's a dusty rose. Every single shade in this is a dusty rose, but this is really pretty. I love this. It's such a cute Valentine's palette too. That's what that looks like. Next shade in the palette is Recuerdos. I don't know what that means, but this is a deep like wine red color, sort of like a vampy brownish red. That's what that looks like. Next shade is Hermosura. This is like a darker, sort of a darker version of the Besitos. That's what that looks like. Next is Con Amor. It means with love. That's that. It's really pretty. And next is Lolita, of course. This is what the palette was named after. And I really do want the Lolita liquid lipstick and the Lolita Everlasting Glimmer Veil. That looks so cute. I think that would be super cute with this palette. That's what that looks like. And we got Corazon, which is heart in Spanish. This is really pretty. I love this. This is one of my favorite shades in this palette. It's like a deep plum burgundy color. It's gorgeous. Look at that. That's so pretty. And last but not least, Eterno. This is the darkest shade in the palette. It's a very vampy dark purple color. And that's that one right there. So those were the shades in the palette, and coming up I will be doing a little tutorial using this palette on my eyes, so if you want to watch that, keep on watching. Alright, so first thing I am going to go into is I've already got my eyelids, so I'm going to start with the shade Promessa and set my lid with that with a fluffy blending brush. like that. Just something to have just a nice smooth base going on. I just love how soft and matte these are. It is so freaking pretty. I love it. So next shade I'm going to go in with is Hermosura. This shade right here. Just going with that. Put that in there with little windshield wiper motions. Just blending that in very well. And a little bit above the crease too, since I have hooded eyes, so unfortunately I need to give the illusion I have bigger eyes. I have noticed there is kind of a lot of fallout with this palette. I'm getting a lot of fallout using this. But I mean, if that's something that doesn't bother you, then honestly it's not that big of a deal. It doesn't bother me too much as long as I have my makeup remover and it doesn't like stain my face or anything. That looks really nice so far. Next, I am going to go in with my smaller fluffy brush, be a little bit more precise and kind of pack on Hermosura, I'm sorry. There's so much fallout, oh my god. Just kind of stamp that on the end of my lid. And slightly bring it into the crease. So next we are going to, I'm going to put Corazon, this beautiful berry shade, on my lid. Just about halfway, maybe 3/4 of the way on my lid. This one right here, just a flat dense brush. We're gonna put that on the lid. I'm going to go in really gently because this palette does have a lot of fallout. I'm going to pack that on the lid, starting from the outer part of my lid, working my way in. I know not everyone likes Kat Von D right now, but if you're the type of person like me that I don't care about your personal shit or your personal drama and I just want makeup, then you're good. You're set. I'm gonna go back in with the blending brush and kind of smooth things out, make it a little bit less harsh. Alright, now I'm going to do the other eye with Corazon. And pack that on to the lid. And then I'm going to go back into Hermosura. Just go ahead and blur out the edges. I'm going to put that along my lower lash line. And I will be right back to clean this up. So next I'm going to take the shade Corazon right here and drag that along my lower lash line. Just kind of start out by stamping it on. I will be back. I'm going to finish the rest of my face and tightline my eyes. See you in a bit. Okay guys, I am back. This is the final look. This is what this looks like. And for my lips, I use the Kat Von D liquid lipstick in shade Mother. And I hope you guys enjoyed my tutorial. What I did to top off my gloss, top off my eyes, was I used this Pixi by Petra sparkles. They're translucent sparkles, so they just go and blend in with whatever colors on your eyes, and it is super cute. I absolutely love it. I love this palette so much, and it's so freaking pretty. The only downside I have is there's a lot of fallout, but if that's something that does not bother you, then this is a gorgeous palette. It is super cute. $38, Kat Von D's website or Sephora. and this is what the inside looks like. I hope you guys enjoyed watching this little review and a mini tutorial on this palette, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye.